Hello students, we are studying here exercise 1.3 and in previous class we have solved the problem number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in today's class we are going to learn the problem number 8, simplify using Bodmer's rule. Problem number A, 70 divided by in curly bracket 12 minus within small bracket 4 minus 6, close the small bracket and the close curly bracket plus within small bracket 40 minus 16. So to solve these type expressions you have to learn the rule of Bodmer's. Students, in previous class we have learned the rule of Bodmer's. And to understand what is the Bodmer's rule, we will see the rules of Bodmer's. So let's we see the rule of Bodmer's. Use of Bodmer's and brackets to evaluate expressions. Use of Bodmer's and brackets to evaluate expressions. When simplifying expression involving more than one operation of integers, simplify the brackets. Students, if you have more operations, more than one operations in the simplifications on integers, you have to solve first upon the brackets. First upon what you will solve? First upon you solve the brackets. So let's see which type of brackets we have to solve first. Okay, students, you can see here this line bracket. So we can see this line bracket, say this line bracket to bar bracket, line bracket or bar bracket. First upon you solve the bar bracket, then this small bracket, and then this curly bracket, and at the last you will solve the square bracket. This is bar bracket, this is small bracket, this is curly bracket, and this is square bracket in the above order. First upon which bracket you will solve? Bar bracket. Then after that, if is there, small bracket. Then after that, curly bracket, and then square bracket. Okay students, in this order only you solve the brackets. The rule of Bodmer's is brackets B for brackets, O for offs, D for division, and M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. So students, again I will explain. B stand for, in the rule Bodmer's, B stand for brackets, O stand for off, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, and A stand for application followed to subtraction. S stand for subtraction. Is used to specify the order of evolution of the various mathematical operations. So students, in the rule Bodmer's, first upon you solve brackets, then off, then division, then multiplication, addition, and at the last subtraction. And if in this Bodmer's rule you have the more than one brackets, so first upon you will solve if is there bar bracket, solve bar bracket, then small bracket, then this curly bracket, and at the last this square bracket. Okay students, hope you understand this the Bodmer's rule of brackets. Okay students. Okay. Now we will use the Bodmer's rule in example number 7. Example number 7 is simplify minus 12 divided by 3 multiply by in square bracket 4 plus in curly bracket within minus 2 in small bracket minus within small bracket minus 3 curly bracket, small bracket close, curly bracket close, then square bracket close. When you open the bracket, you should close the brackets. Okay students, solution. First of all, we will copy the simplification means expression which is given in problem, note it only in front of solution. Now students, you can see here the more than one brackets are there in this expression. This is square bracket, curly bracket and small brackets. So I explain you which bracket you will solve in these expressions. If is there bar bracket is there? No. So that's why we will solve the small brackets. Second term comes of small brackets. First upon minus 12, copy down, division, copy down, 3, multiplication, square bracket, 4, plus in curly bracket. We will move out this small bracket. We will write just minus 2, and for the move out minus 3 from the small bracket, first upon we will multiply the sign, minus minus plus. So instead of this minus we will copy plus and copy 3, close curly bracket, then close square bracket. Next minus 12 divided by 3, multiply 4, square bracket 4, 4 plus plus. Now we will solve this curly bracket, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 and close the square bracket. Then minus 12 divided by 3 into 4 plus 1. The solution of 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we need to put here square bracket. Minus 12 divided by 3 into 5. We have two operations here, division and multiplication. Which one we will solve? Division. Division come first before the multiplication. So minus 12 divided by 3 is equal to minus 4, copy down multiplication sign, then 5. Minus 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to minus 20. Hope you students, you can understand now what is the rule of Bodemus and how can we use this rule in the simplification of expressions.